Hey, social media family, bless you. Michael A.C. Johnson Jr. here. I know that I am blessed, consider all things. It's just that I've been through so much in my life, and over the years, the last 4 or 5 years has been hard, even more hard. And I've lost so much loss in my life, loved ones, family and friends, and I've been through a lot of stress, and I've lost so much weight, so much weight. Some nights I've tossed and turned and couldn't sleep. Lack of peace. First accident last week, never been involved in an accident. Car is totaled, got to start all over again. My car was paid for. I work 12 hours and 15 minutes each day, except for Sundays. Sometimes on Saturdays I work at least 8 hours. I'm just testifying, y'all. I'm still here, but I still want you to pray much for me and keep me in your prayers. As I always say, when y'all pray for me, I'm praying for y'all. Oh my God, I'm still sore from the accident. Have a blessed day, everybody. Pray for Michael A.C. Johnson Jr. I love y'all. I'm in a temporary rental car right now, so prayerfully I'll have a new car soon. Pray for me. Pray for your boy. Tired. Just tired. Oh, I look a mess, but anyway, God is good. Mm.